Hello students, today I am going to revise your chapter quadratic equation from the book ML Agarwal, that is chapter test for your coming exam, that is unit test, also half yearly exam. The quadratic equation already I have completed from this chapter test for your 9th. Question number 1 completed, first part, second part, question number second part, first part, second also completed, and today I am doing number 3. First part, second part. See the question number 3, first part given x whole into x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus whole into x plus 3 is equal to 42 given. You have to solve by factorization method. Okay. Question given x whole into x plus 1 plus x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 40. You have to open the bracket. How to open the bracket? This will be just multiplied x square plus x. And if I open the bracket, this will be x square plus 2x plus 3, that I am doing, plus 5x plus 6 minus 42 equal to 0. After that, x square plus x square, coming how many x square? 2x square plus x plus 5x, this will be plus 6x plus 6 minus 42, it will be how much? Minus 36 equal to 0. Dividing 2 both sides, this will be x square plus 3x minus, if I divide 2, this will be 18. Now it is coming quadratic equation. You have to solve by factorization method. Okay. After simplification, you are getting this one. Just to middle term breaking, this will be x square 6 3 18 means plus 6x minus 3x minus 18 equal to 0. From the first two, I have to take x common, that will be x plus 6 left. Last, I have to take 3 common, that means x plus 6 whole into 0 means equal to 0. Now it is coming x minus 3 x plus 6 equal to 0. So what is the value of x you will get? Therefore x is equal to 3 because it is minus 3 given, and another x is equal to minus 6. In this way I completed number 3 first part. Okay. The value of x coming 3 and minus 6. Let us go to the next part. See the question number 3 second part. Question given 6 by x minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by x minus 2. This is the question given. You have to solve by factorization method. Take LCM. This will be x whole into x minus 1. Now this x 6 whole into x minus 1 minus 2x is equal to 1 by x minus 2. After that, how much you are getting? This will be 6x minus 6. 6x here minus 2. This will be directly I am doing 4x. 4x minus 6. Now you open this, x square minus x is equal to 1 by x minus 2. After that, by cross multiplication, this will be 4x minus 6 whole into x minus 2 is equal to x square minus x. Now you have to open the bracket. If I open the bracket, this will be 4x square minus 8x minus 6x plus 12, and these two things bring this side, this will be minus x square plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Finally, how much you are getting? 4x square here minus x square, that means 3x square minus 8x minus 6x, that is minus 14x minus 14 plus x, that is minus 13x, and this is plus 12 equal to 0. Now you are getting quadratic equation. This is the standard form. After converting in standard form, you have to break by the applying middle term breaking factorization method. 12 3 are 36, that means 9 and 4. 3x square minus 9x minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. After that, you have to take 3 common, 3x common, x left minus 3. Last one minus 4 taken common, x minus 3 equal to 0. After that, x minus 3 whole into 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So what is the final answer? Therefore, from the first bracket I will get x is equal to 3, and from the second bracket x will equal to how much? 4 by 3. Okay. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 3, another is 4 by 3. In this way I have completed number 3 second part. The question given 6 by x minus 2 by x minus 1 is equal to 1 by x minus 2. I am doing the chapter test. The chapter is quadratic equation from the book ML Agarwal for class 10 ICSE board. Okay. Chapter test I am doing. Question number 3 second part completed. Let us go question number 4. Okay, just to see, you have to practice in the home. I have applied the quadratic equation by factorization method, solving the quadratic factorization after converting in standard form. This is the main thing. Then applied middle term breaking. How much you getting the value of x? One is 3, another is 4 by 3. Let us go next part. See the question number 4, first part. Question given x plus 15 root over is equal to x plus 3. If this type of question is given, how to solve for x? You have to solve for x by squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get, what will get? Then this root over will vanish, means x plus 15, and this side will be x plus 3 whole square. Squaring both sides, I will get this one. After that, I have to write here x plus 3 whole square, writing here this side x square plus 6x plus 9, and this x plus 15 taking that side, that means minus x minus 15 is equal to 0. Next, how much is coming? X square plus 6x minus x, that is plus 5x plus 9 minus 15, this will be minus 6. Now this is coming standard form of quadratic equation. From here you have to solve this equation by factorization method. Multiplication minus x, addition plus 5. What are the numbers? The numbers will be plus 6x minus x. Then it will be plus 5 and multiplication will be minus 6 equal to 0. From the first two number I will take x common, left x plus 6. From the last you have to take minus common, that is x plus 6 equal to 0. Finally x plus 6 whole into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So what is the value of x? X plus 6 equal to 0, first bracket, and second bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So here you will get x is equal to minus 6, and here you will get x is equal to 1. So what are the answers? The x equal to minus 6 or x is equal to 1. The question number 4 first part answer. Okay. Squaring this, I am getting this one. Just to verify. If any difficult, next I will solve. Okay. I think you are able to understand the process shall be very easy method. Let us go next part of number 4, second part. See the question number 4, second part. It is given 3x square minus 2x minus 1 root over equal to 2x minus 2. Okay. Root over sign given means you have to square in both sides. Squaring both sides, we get. If you square both sides, what will get here? This is 3x square minus 2x minus 1. This will be 2x minus 2 whole square. Okay. Now this is 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2 whole square will be how much? A minus b whole square formula. A square means 4x square. A square plus b square, that is 4 minus 2ab. 2 to 4 to 8x. Okay, this side 4x square, this side 3x. All this should take that side. Then this will be 4x square minus 3x square. I am writing here 4x square minus 3x square. This is minus 8x, and this minus 2 take that, this will be plus 2x. This side is plus 4, minus 1 taking that side, this will plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. How much you are getting? 4x square minus 3x square, that is coming x square. Minus 8x plus 2, this will be minus 6x. Plus 4 plus 1, that is plus 5 equal to 0. Now it is converted to standard form of quadratic equation. You have to apply middle term to simplify this one. The multiplication is 5, addition is minus 6. What are the numbers? That means minus x minus 5x. Both are minus, then it will be addition will be minus 6, multiplication will be plus 5 equal to 0. Take x common from the first two. X minus 1 minus 5 taken common, x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 taken outside, and here x minus 5 left equal to 0. Therefore, from the first bracket, that is x minus 1 equal to 0, and second bracket, that is x minus 5 equal to 0. Finally, what you are getting? That means here x is equal to 1, and from second bracket x minus 5 equal to 0, that means x equal to how much? 5. Okay. So what is the answer? The answer is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5. In this way I have completed 4 questions, number 3 first part, second part, number 4 first part, second part. Just to see, try to practice in the home this sum. Next day I will do more sums for your coming unit test. Here the quadratic, important quadratic equation given from the book, selected from the book for ML Agarwal chapter test, the last part of the exercise. Question given 3x square minus 2x minus 1 root over given equal to 2x minus 2. Squaring both sides, I am getting this result. Then normal form is standard form we are getting x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. After simplification, x equal to 1 and x is equal to 5. Thank you for today's class.